Welcome back, welcome back. This is the DMV with Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland. Today we have a beautiful hair loss warrior. She normally gets a full frontal installation with braided wefts. However, today we're trying something new. We're doing the micro weft hair extensions. And with this install, it is completely braidless and glueless. We also added a frontal for her hairline because she is dealing with alopecia in the front as well. And as you see now, we have installed pretty much all the wefts in the front, so we still need to re-glue everything. And all right, okay, girl. And as you can see right now, we just wetted down all the wefts, and she's even able to put it up in a high ponytail. This is the beauty of this type of hairstyle. You can be natural, or your hair can be out. You can be able to apply your different scalp serums. So, a lot of different weaves out there on the market can hinder your ability to moisturize your hair and to treat your scalp from any type of infections or inflammation. And we are now in some of the last stages. We have put her underneath the dryer to let her real hair set in with the kinky curly Peruvian hair. And this hair is very beautiful. This is 16-inch hair, and it's kinky. It's a kinky curly texture. And the good thing about that is that she can set this at home and put in big plaits with mousse at night. And this is now our finished look. She is able to now have all her hair out, give her hair a break during the quarantine session, even though we're about to be free. Free at last, thank God Almighty, free at last. Please book with the DMV Weed Doctor. Go to mainattractionshair.com. Follow us at Main Attractions Hair Weaving Salon in Bowie, Maryland, or go to our YouTube channel, Main Attractions Hair Weaving in Bowie, Maryland. See you later, dolls.